Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to discuss the Forest River Alpha Wolf line of travel trailers made by Cherokee. The Alpha Wolf line is a trailer whose defining features are its lightweight construction, laminated exterior, and long list of features and amenities for the money. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Alpha Wolf unique. The Alpha Wolf line ranges in length from over 29 feet to nearly 37 feet, and in weight from roughly 5,400 to 7,000 pounds. Each floor plan offers its own unique layout, and that makes the line a smart choice for many different kinds of RVers. Let's start with the two bunk models. The 26 DBHL and the 29 QBL both feature a queen-size bed up front, a U-shaped dinette and sofa in a slide, and a campside kitchen, but that's pretty much where the similarities end. The 26 DBHL offers a double bunk bed in the rear of the RV next to the bathroom, and two entrance doors, one of which enters directly to the bathroom. This floor plan actually won RV News' Best of Show award when it debuted. The 29 QBL, on the other hand, has a bunkhouse with 3 bunk beds in the back of the camper, a walk-in pantry in the kitchen, and a master bath up front. If bunk beds aren't going to cut it, but you want an additional bedroom still, then the 29 DQL is exactly what you're looking for. It has the same layout as a 29 QBL, with a queen-size master bedroom up front, a U-shaped dinette and sofa in the slide, a forward master bath, and a campside kitchen. However, it also has a queen-size bed at the back of the camper in its own room in place of the bunks. This is perfect if you plan on doing a lot of camping in your RV with another couple, relative, or if your spouse snores really loudly. If you want some options with larger rear living and kitchen areas, then the 23 RDL, 26 RL-L, and 27 RKL are the floor plans you're looking for. We'll start with the shortest of the three, the 23 RDL. It features a large couch at the end of the RV, a standalone table and chairs next to the TV and pantry in the slide, and a campside kitchen. It also has a pass-through bathroom which separates the living area from the bedroom. Next up is the 26 RL-L. It has a couch along the rear like the 23 RDL and 2 opposing slides. On the campside is a standalone table and 2 lounge chairs. Across from that is the kitchen, and in the center sits a kitchen island with a sink and prep space. The final floor plan is the 27 RKL. This floor plan features an L-shaped kitchen with a pantry, 2 lounge chairs on the campside of the RV with a dinette and sofa across from that in a slide, and just off the master bedroom is the bathroom with dual entrances from both the main living area and the bedroom. With the floor plans out of the way, let's discuss the features of the Alpha Wolf. You can get an Alpha Wolf RV with large 40-inch dinette drawers, more ride step-above-step system, roller shades, outdoor TV hookup, backup camera prep, and solar prep. Most Alpha Wolf models can come with a 15,000 BTU AC unit, an enclosed and heated underbelly, oversized awning, power front jack with a light, power stabilizer jacks, and a tire pressure monitoring system. Inside the RV, it features stainless kitchen appliances, seamless countertops, an undermount sink, and up to 12 USB charging ports depending on the model. With all that in mind, it's clear why the Alpha Wolf is one of the best-selling modern line of travel trailers on the market today. The lightweight construction, modern design, and amenities help set it apart from the competition.